Today, I'm making magnets. Some assembly required. Hello! I have a really fun tutorial for you today. I am going to be making cute and easy magnets out of these little glass gem dome decorative things. I have been making them just like this for years and years and years. It is super fun, very easy, and let's get to it. Here's what you'll need. You need the round glass dome thingies. I got the small, like 3/4 inch size, and these big 1.5 inch ones. It is possible that these big ones will be a little bit heavy and will make the magnets not that strong and kind of useless, but there is only one way to find out. Make sure the domes you get are pretty smooth and are not coated with this iridescent stuff. It's pretty, but it's hard to see through. If that's all you can find, they would be okay on like a plain colored background, but they block a lot of detail or pattern. You will also need magnets. These were somehow the only ones I could find at the craft store, and I think they're not strong enough. So I got these online. The glue I use is E6000. This one is supposed to be low odor, but it is still gross, so definitely open a window. Feel free to experiment with different kinds of glue if you're not a fan of all these nasty chemicals, but this one is really good at sticking to the glass and the magnets. Finally, the most fun ingredient is the fun paper to personalize your magnets. You can use magazine scraps, catalogs, stickers, and even pretty patterned paper. You could also experiment with your own art, but make sure that it's Mod Podged or protected somehow, because the glue can make the inks run. Maybe do a little trial sample first. Sometimes the glass domes will be a little dull when they come out of the package. This usually disappears if you give them a little polish with a cloth or like your pants. I already did that for these guys, so they should be good to go. Okay, I've got some glass lined up. I will put this scrap paper down to protect my table from the glue. And now we make the magnets. I'll demonstrate on this flowered paper. I think it'll be pretty easy to find some good subject matter here. So here's what you do. Find a spot that looks good behind your dome. Move it around until you like what you see, and then grab your glue. Remove the dried bits. And then you just put like not even a pea-sized amount onto your glass. Put the glass back where you liked it, and then I like to move it in a little circle to spread the glue around in case I didn't quite get it in the middle, and then press the glass down for a few seconds. Make sure that the glue is good and squished. That's it, then you can do another. Can you see the glue? There's not a ton. There, they should look something like this. The glue should push out to the edge of the circle, but not gush out everywhere. If you're seeing the line of glue not making it all the way to the edge of the glass, even after squishing it down, you'll probably need a little bit more glue. Now I'll make some more. Make a whole set with the decorative paper. You could even make a tiny collage. Use junk mail. The possibilities are basically endless. I think the best way to use the stickers is probably just to stick them down on a good background color and then treat them like regular paper. And now we just let the glue dry completely. I'm sure I have plenty of projects to work on while I wait. And maybe a quick walk. I do want to be sure that it gets totally dry. Okay, they seem pretty dry. So now it's time to cut them out. All you need to do is turn it at an angle and snip around the outside. Basically, you're just trying to trim the paper as close to the edge of the glass as you can. And now for the rest. There! Now, to attach the magnets, you just add a small amount of glue to the back and squeeze on a magnet. Make sure you set them down to dry far enough from each other so that they don't try to snap together. I learned this the hard way. Now, we'll just leave them here to dry again. Ta-da! All dry. That was easy. I left them overnight so they could totally dry. I do recommend that. It's a lot easier to deal with them when they're not a little sticky. And now to test it out. Oh good, the magnets are even strong enough for the big glass domes. Fantastic. And there you have it. It is really a very cute and easy project. They also make really cute gifts because you can personalize them and you can stick them in a really cute tin. Hey, you can decorate the tin too. It's like super fun. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love when you do that. New videos come out every Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!